One of the biggest struggles that I've found when selling print-on-demand products and digital products is actually being able to get the content for all the different types of products that I sell. And if you're anything like me, you most likely sell lots of different print-on-demand products with different designs and variations, and that can be really unrealistic to constantly be ordering samples of all of this, especially when you're testing products out. Not to mention it's expensive and time-consuming, but then also defeats the purpose of print-on-demand, which is a really cool inventory-free way of selling online. And while mock-up photos are obviously great and an essential thing for our business, they can only get you so far when it comes to video content, which we see all over our feeds and is really widely consumed in one of the best ways to reach customers. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create actual video content of your products without having to order all the samples, without having to actually have the physical product in your presence. I'm going to show you how to create AI videos that actually come out good and that you can use for your marketing, and all you need is a pre-existing mockup to do this. So let's go ahead and start creating, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the tool called InVideo AI, which happens to be the first platform to integrate OpenAI's brand new Sora 2 video model, and I'm going to explain what that means later, but basically, it lets you create studio quality ads and product videos with just one prompt, even without the samples. And even if you're brand new to AI or you've never used it to create something before, let alone a video, this is very user-friendly and it shows you and does pretty much everything for you. When you go to InVideo, you will see right off the bat that there is a text prompt box with a few things to follow. Now, this is where you'll essentially be putting in your prompt, your AI prompt, to let InVideo know what you'd like to create. There's also a few different options here on creating short-form content, explainer videos, and so on and so forth. It really depends on what type of video you're trying to create, but something that I recommend doing if it's your first time on here is clicking this workflow button. Workflow will show you and guide you throughout the process of what you should be telling the AI, because sometimes when you're not giving the correct prompt, your vision might turn out differently. And so this is giving you a chance to really bring your vision to life because it's going to set up the prompt for you. So for example, you can see there's a lot of different things here. Script to video, if you have a script you want to use, or if you want to create something as a UGC ad with a human actor, that's totally possible here as well. And there's just lots of different options, even like TikTok Shop and advertisements. I'm just going to click short video to show you. When you click this, you can decide how fast you want the video and then whereabouts you're going to be using the video for. And then you'll be able to type your topic. Then you can select different things that are going to be added to give an idea of what exactly you're looking for in your video. And when you're entering your prompt, the cool thing is you can be as specific or as vague as you'd like to be. I personally like to be more specific so that I really can get my vision to come to life. So I do like to have a longer prompt that really explains what exactly I'm looking for. And if you want some inspiration, InVideo does have some examples and ad pics that you can look at to see what the prompt was that they used to create the video. This can be helpful to just get the verbiage down, and you can even copy these prompts directly from the actual video itself if you do decide to create something that's similar. So I just entered my prompt here and I'm asking it to create a high-end product ad for this phone case. I have some details here on what I'd like my background to look like with the lighting and a few different text things that I want to be mentioned. Again, totally optional. Then I'm going to go down and choose what I'd like here, so I can say what I want my background music to be. Next, you can choose the language, different voice actors if you do want something voiced over in the video. This is great because you can choose the gender and then what type of accent you'd like. And this goes so far, it's honestly very impressive because you can create ads in multiple different languages, which is really helpful if you're selling to different countries or advertising in different countries. I'm going to leave the voice off because I don't want it to be saying anything in this specific video. And then you can also add in different preferences as well. One thing I would recommend doing is go to stock and generative and then select only generated clips so the AI can create clips for us. Then I'm going to hit proceed and generate my video. So this is going to start understanding exactly what we want. And then once this is finished, we can upload our actual photo to this so we can start creating the video. After a few minutes, you'll then see a screen like this that will get you the duration, and then you can select what you're using it for, and then you can select if you want it basic, pro, or ultra. And I know I mentioned earlier that Sora 2 is OpenAI's video model to create the AI videos, but it's actually pretty limited to only 10-second videos that are watermarked in most places in US and Canada. So what's interesting about this is because InVideo has an actual direct integration, we can create longer, high-quality videos that don't require the watermarks, and they come out long enough for us to use for product ads, for UGC videos, and different things to promote on our website and social media. Both Pro and Ultra have Sora 2, so you'll get to experience that. I'm gonna choose Ultra, and then I'm gonna select Add Files, and this is where I'm gonna add in the actual photos of my mockups so that the AI knows what to create the video for. I'm gonna add in 2 variations of this actual phone case so that the AI has an idea of 2 different angles of the product, but feel free to add more if you'd like to. Totally up to you. I'm gonna hit generate and let this work. Now, because it's an AI model, it does take some time to create this video, and it's very high quality, so be expected that this will take a bit of time. You can go and start creating another video if you'd like to, or gather some more mockups while this is created. We'll come back when the video is done and I'll show you how it turned out. Here's what the video looks like before I've made any edits to it. As you can see, it's high quality. It took the prompt that I gave it and created this video that I can use in my advertisements. Now, like I said, you can actually edit these videos and have InVideo's help with it. If you select this, you can then change anything about the video that you'd like to be different, if you want to add in or cut things out, or change the tone by doing different voices or sound. You can also switch out clips here if you'd like to change it out for a clip you already have, or generate a new clip using the AI. So after editing the video a little bit, this is what I came up with that's perfect for me to post on Pinterest. Now I can go to Pinterest and just upload that as a finished video and then add in any keywords and titles that will showcase this video. And this is much more engaging than it would be if I were to just have a photo. This is an engaging video that will potentially stop someone's scroll on Pinterest because of the movement. And like I said, there's different types of ads that you can create with InVideo. One of the other ones that performs very well on social media and to create content in general is UGC, which stands for user generated content. This would normally require you to hire somebody and have them be sent your product and then make a video for you to post. This is a great method, but it can get expensive. And like I said, if we're selling multiple different types of products, it's very time consuming and costs money. You can hire a human actor on here and let them know what to do, what to say about your product, and then input a prompt in the same way we just did in the last video to have them talk about your product. This saves a lot of time and money when you want to create lots of content for your social media. Under workflows, if I click UGC with a human actor, I can then select from all these different AI actors to use in my video and talk about my product. Let's say I like this one here. I can then hit continue and then do the same process in letting the AI know what exactly I wanted to create. And this is the UGC ad that this created for us.
I'm obsessed with this journal. It's perfect for my daily journaling and the size is amazing. I can travel with it or keep it on my desk. This new design is my favorite and it's available now in my bio.
You can also do this with multiple different actors and different products to really create different social posts or use this for ads. And once this is ready too, it works in the same way as if we want to change the script, what was said, if we want to change the voice or anything about the video. Those are all things that we can update and edit before we download the video to use. There's honestly a lot of features on here that I recommend checking out. I also really love the photo to clip. This creates like shorter clips of turning a photo that you have into a video or clip you can use as a part of other videos you create, or even as like product photos and product videos on your online store to make things more engaging. And if you're somebody that is going to start posting videos to social media or Pinterest to use them for free traffic, keep in mind that consistency can really help you out. And I know that it's like a lot to have to post multiple times a week, but these strategies do work. It gets your product out there, a chance to go viral, and be seen by potential customers that you may have not been seen by on Etsy or Google searches, depending on where you're selling. I will leave a marketing video that I created about Pinterest and social media to help you with your strategy now that you have your mockup and videos that you can use for content. I am going to leave InVideo linked below in the description as well. They do have a free plan if you do want to check it out and give it a try. Full transparency though, I'm using the generative plan because I'm making multiple videos, and to create more videos, it does require more credits and to access more features. So I do use the generative plan on a yearly plan as well. It still saves me money and time for if I were to be ordering the samples, taking videos and creating the content myself, which trust me, I've done and still do sometimes, but it is very time consuming when you have multiple products. And for the money that I'd also be spending if I were to send out products to influencers or UGC creators, I do find that this is helpful and works for me. So like I said, I will leave that linked below for you. If you want to see more tutorials on this or more things that it does, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.